Hey guys, what's up? It's Robbie. Just wanted to do a quick update / install video. Got some new fog lights from the Retrofit Source. These are Morimoto XB LEDs. And then here are my old fogs for comparison. But just wanted to do a quick video showing what they look like and the few things that you'll need to put them in there. The only thing you'll need is a really short Phillips head. Really short because it gets really cramped on the passenger side, but I'll show you guys in a second. But the only thing of note is be really careful when you put these together, because if you mix things up and let's say install the red and the black backwards, you're kind of screwed. Yeah, so just a warning, you know, that happened to one of my friends, 100%, not me, like an absolute idiot. But yeah guys, so I'll show you guys underneath the car and what you'll need. All right, looking at the sky because we're on the ground now, but I'm going to try to give you a quick view of what your fog light housing looks like. So let's go into the car. Okay, so right here is your fog light housing. You can see the connector is unplugged, and the fog light is right there. And there will be 3 Phillips head screws, one right there. Let me get in a little deeper. One right there, one right there, one right just above it, and then one right over here. Again, like I said, on the passenger side, the issue is the, I think that's your windshield wiper fluid container. Gets in the way, so you'll have to use a short Phillips head to really get in there, but when you undo most of them, you can kind of just wiggle it out. Give me 1 second and I'll show you guys it out. Okay guys, back. So you can see the fog light is now out. There's 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw, and then 4 screw right over there. And then on the passenger side, you can just kind of wiggle it out, pull one side of the fog light out from the left or right, and it should just kind of pop out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and slot the new one in, tighten everything back up, and I will show you guys the outside of the car. All right guys, it's nighttime now. Let's see what they look like. Pretty promising, pretty promising. And the reveal, damn, very bright. They look good, damn. Well, there you go guys. Quick and easy install, only a couple parts, and they look pretty good. I know it's hard to pick up on camera, but they look really good. Definitely brighter than the factories. Yeah, but anyway guys, let me know if you have any questions. I'll post the link to where I got it. But other than that, have a good night.